Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a fresh and floral makeup look that you can wear for prom or any occasion. And if you are ready to see that, then let's just get into it. So we're going to be starting out with my two favorite primers. You guys have heard about them time and time again. And if you haven't, go watch my old videos. And that's going to be the Smashbox Primer Water and the Soap & Glory One Heck of a Blot Primer. We're going to be going in with foundation, so I'm going to be using the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation, and I just really like this one because it gives a nice like dewy finish, which is really nice, and it's super lightweight. As far as I've noticed, there's no flashback, so it's also good for photos. Now I'm going to be concealing with the Maybelline Better Skin Concealer. And I'm gonna also be using it as an eyeshadow primer. Now we're gonna apply a liquid highlighter. This is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. I will be applying another highlighter, but it's a dewy look, so might as well apply two different types. Be using the Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit. I'm gonna go off camera to do this because my brows do take a bit more concentration, so I'll be back. If you guys do want to see how I do my eyebrows, you can watch some of my older videos. Those I show you more so me doing them. Now I'm gonna be going in with the Too Faced Peach Perfect powder just to set my face and all that. We're going to be going in with some bronzer. I'm going to be using the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Blends bronzer in the shade Sunkissed. And I'm mostly going to be using these two shades up top. We're going to be going in with blush, which is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12 Hour Blush in the shade Party. We're gonna be going in with the Tarte Skin Twinkle Highlighting Palette in the shade Sunlight. Now we're gonna move on to eyes, and I'm gonna be using the Naked 3 palette by Urban Decay to create a nice floral look. First, I'm going to be applying the shade Limit all over the lid. Now we're going to be going in with the shade Buzz, and we're going to be applying that mostly all over the lid, just not as far up on the crease. And now we're going to go in with the shade Nooner and apply that on the outer half of the eye. We're gonna be applying the shade Dust on the inner half. Now we're gonna be taking our crease brush and again be applying Nooner on the lower lash line. I'm gonna be curling my lashes and applying the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. We're gonna finish off the look with the What's Your Sign lipstick from ColourPop. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a like and comment below, and let me know what you want to see in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you're going to prom, let me know how that experience is as well, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!